The world of 1000 LB Sisters continues to buzz with drama, surprises, and major life changes. This time, the spotlight shines brightly on Amy Slayton and her boyfriend Brian as whispers turn into headlines. Yes, Amy and Brian are reportedly new parents. The revelation has sent shockwaves through the TLC fandom, with fans scrambling to understand the timeline, the truth behind the rumors, and what it means for Amy's already complicated family dynamic. Are Amy and Brian really starting a new chapter as parents together? Do they already have children? And how does this all fit into Amy's previous relationships in the lives of her sons, Gage and Glenn? Amy Slayton, one half of the iconic Slayton sisters duo, has always been an open book. From her weight loss struggles to her mental health challenges, Amy has given fans front row seats to her personal life. But the recent news about her growing family has taken even the most devoted viewer by surprise. After the emotional rollercoaster of her divorce from Michael Halterman, the father of her two sons, fans weren't expecting her to move on so quickly, let alone start a new family with someone else. Enter Brian, Amy's current boyfriend, who until recently remained a mysterious figure in the background. Now, he's front and center as rumors swirl that the couple has welcomed a child, or perhaps more than one, into their lives. The relationship between Amy and Brian first became public knowledge when curious fans spotted them together on social media. At first, it was unclear whether Brian was just a friend or something more, but it didn't take long for the couple to confirm they were romantically involved. Brian appeared supportive, affectionate, and seemingly ready to step into a father figure role for Amy's children. But now, the stakes are higher. If the reports are true and Amy and Brian are now co-parenting a newborn, it marks a major turning point in Amy's life, one that could affect her career, her family, and the future of 1000 LB Sisters. So what do we know about Brian? Unlike Michael, who was often seen but rarely heard during the show, Brian has brought a different energy into Amy's life. He's more outgoing, more public, and seemingly more invested in building a shared life with Amy. While his background remains somewhat private, sources close to the couple say he has embraced fatherhood with open arms. The big question on everyone's mind is this new child biologically theirs, adopted, or is Brian simply stepping into the role of dad to Gage and Glenn in a bigger way? Social media has been both a gift and a curse for Amy. On one hand, it's allowed her to connect with fans, share personal updates, and control her own narrative. On the other hand, it's also the source of constant speculation. Some fans believe the new parent rumors stem from a recent photo Amy shared, showing her cradling what appears to be a newborn wrapped in a pink blanket. While Amy didn't confirm anything in the caption, she did drop a heart emoji and a cryptic hashtag Blessed Life. That single post exploded with comments from fans demanding answers. Is Amy hinting at a new daughter? Was this baby just a relative's child? Or was she sending a message about her growing family? Adding fuel to the fire, a close friend of the Slayton family reportedly told an entertainment blog that Amy and Brian have been preparing for this for months, citing baby shopping trips, doctor appointments, and changes in Amy's filming schedule as evidence. According to that same source, the baby is, in fact, theirs, and the couple couldn't be happier. While TLC has yet to make an official statement, the buzz has already reached the point of no return. Fans now expect an announcement, and more importantly, they want to know how this development will be shown on the series. This latest twist in Amy's life brings up several important questions about her existing children. Gage, who was born in 2020, and Glenn, who arrived in 2022, have been a major part of Amy's storyline on 1000 LB Sisters. Amy's dedication to her boys has always been front and center, even during the darkest moments of her marriage breakdown. How will the arrival of a new child impact her attention and time? Will Gage and Glenn bond with Brian and their potential new sibling, or could this be a source of tension down the line? There are also concerns among fans about Amy's ability to handle the emotional, financial, and physical demands of raising 3 young children. Amy herself has admitted on multiple occasions that motherhood is hard, especially as a single mom. Adding a third child to the mix could either signify growth and stability or tip the balance into chaos. Much of that depends on Brian's level of involvement. So far, he seems committed, but only time will tell if that support remains consistent under pressure. Tammy Slaton, Amy's sister and co-star, has reportedly been both excited and cautious about the news. While the sisters have had their ups and downs, Tammy has expressed a desire to see Amy happy and thriving. In a recent live stream, Tammy referred to big things coming for our family, though she didn't go into details. Many fans believe she was alluding to Amy's new baby. If true, this would mean Tammy is not only in the loop but also supportive of the expanding family unit. Some viewers, however, have expressed concern over the fast pace of Amy's new relationship. The transition from Michael to Brian was quick, and now the potential addition of a child has raised eyebrows. Critics argue that Amy may be moving too fast, risking her mental health and the well-being of her children. Still, others defend her right to happiness, arguing that no one knows what goes on behind the scenes except Amy herself. After all, fans only see a fraction of her real life on camera and social media. The timing of the new baby is also significant in terms of 1000 LB Sisters as a show. With fan interest growing and the series still delivering strong ratings, a new baby storyline could be the boost the show needs to see continue for several more seasons. Viewers are naturally drawn to family expansion, and the possibility of watching Amy juggle her roles as mother, partner, and reality star makes for compelling TV. If TLC plays its cards right, this could be a major turning point in the franchise's history. What remains to be seen is how involved Brian will be in the show. So far, he's kept a relatively low profile, especially compared to how much of Amy's life is shown. If he agrees to appear on camera more regularly, it could provide a deeper glimpse into their relationship and their parenting journey. However, if Brian decides to remain private, fans may have to rely on hints, speculation, and social media breadcrumbs to follow along. Regardless of the details, one thing is clear: Amy Slaton is stepping into a new era. Whether she's officially a mother of 3 or simply embracing a blended family with Brian's support, her life is evolving. For better or worse, this evolution is happening in the public eye, where every move is scrutinized and every decision dissected. Still, Amy has shown resilience time and again. From surgery to motherhood to heartbreak and healing, she's proven that she can weather the storm. Now, with Brian by her side and potentially a new baby in her arms, Amy may finally be building the family she's always dreamed of. As we await confirmation and more details, fans can only speculate and hope that Amy's newest chapter is filled with joy, stability, and love. Whether or not the baby news is true, it's clear that Amy Slaton isn't done surprising us. And as long as she keeps living her truth, on and off camera, viewer will keep watching. For now, all eyes are on Amy and Brian as the 1000 LB Sisters universe braces for what could be its most emotional twist yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.